Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject EVS. Chapter 3 Nature Trail. Have you ever seen a banyan tree with its hanging roots touching the ground? A colored bird diving into the water? A spider weaving its web? Butterflies flying around a flower? Nature is full of amazing animals and plants. Let us explore more about them. The adventure begins. The students along with their teacher got ready for a nature trail at Pachmadi, Madhya Pradesh. As they reached the forest entrance, the students got excited to see a lot of tall trees and chirping birds. Abha, welcome to Pachmadi. Teacher, this is Abha Didi, a nature scientist who studies plants and animals. She will guide us in exploring the forest. Students, Abha Didi, will we see monkeys, deer, snakes, eagles and tigers on the way? Abha, that is what we have to find out. We must also make sure that we do not harm the plants and animals in the forest. Safety rules. Do's and don'ts. 1. Please be careful in a new place. 2. Please do not tease animals. 3. Please do not feed animals. 4. Please do not damage trees and flowers. 5. Please do not bring pets, firearms, or any kind of weapons. 6. Please do not bring polythene bags. 7. Please do not damage public utilities. 8. Please do not throw any garbage in the forest. The students hopped onto the jeeps. As they entered the forest, they saw a variety of plants and animals. Indian giant squirrel is a big, red-colored squirrel found in Pachmadi and some other places. The next stop for the jeeps was near a pond where students were excited to see more animals. Look at the gaur. They look like buffaloes, but they are stronger with shorter horns. Arya, I wonder which other animals come here to drink water. Look at these footprints in the mud. Which animal might have left these marks? Sarthak, maybe a deer or a tiger. Or a rabbit. I see one rabbit munching on grass over there. Sarthak wanted to know about a bird. It had a long tail and a large curved beak, sitting on a tree nearby. Abha, that is a hornbill. It has a headgear growing out of its forehead like a horn, hence it is called hornbill. Some birds, like peacock, are colorful, while others like owls have sharp eyesight that helps them to see at night. It is interesting to know that birds have beaks and claws which help them in eating and other activities. An eagle has a sharp, curved beak and sharp claws to catch its prey, while a sunbird has a long beak to drink nectar from flowers. We can guess the eating habits of a bird by observing its beak and claws. Different birds have different beaks, claws, and varying food habits. Animals which live in water have special features to help them survive. Fish have fins to swim. The gharial, a type of crocodile, has a long, narrow, and pointed snout to catch fish. Turtles have strong shells to keep them safe and webbed feet to help them swim easily. Frogs can live both on land and in water. Tiny animals. A grasshopper suddenly hopped out from the grass. Everyone was amused. Arya, this is an insect. It has 3 pairs of legs, 1 pair of antennae to sense its surroundings. Insects also sometimes have 2 pairs of wings, as in the case of flies, grasshoppers, etc. Abha, like the grasshopper, you will find many insects in the forest such as ants, beetles, bees, flies, praying mantises, butterflies, etc. There is a wonderful diversity of animals in the forest, each one having its unique features. Apart from different colors, textures, and shapes, Did you observe that the leaves also have different types of lines on them? These lines are called veins. The images given below show two different types of arrangement of veins. Leaf autograph: place a leaf on a notebook with the rough, vein side facing up. Cover it with a plain sheet of paper. Rub a crayon over the paper and watch the leaf's shape appear like magic. Try this with different leaves and see how each one has its own unique pattern. Name the plant or tree to which the leaf belongs. Let us play the game, Web of Life. Have you ever wondered how all living beings are connected? Let us find out by playing a game. You just have to imagine you are a part of nature, maybe a tree, a bird, or even the sun. Do you know? The spectacled monkey is the state animal of Tripura. The white patches around its eyes make it look like it is wearing spectacles. Activity 1. A map showing the route from your school to the public library or any such place near your school. Identify landmarks like parks, shops, hospitals, bus stops, etc. on the map. 1. Animals on land. 2. Birds in the sky. Activity 2. The footprints and guess the name of the animals. Activity 3. Take different food items like grains, berries, fruits, nuts, etc. in a plate. Try to pick these food items using a spoon, a toothpick, or a pair of sticks. Fill the table below with appropriate tools for picking each of these food items. Activity 4. My bird diary appearance. 2. List the animals which live in and around water bodies. Fish, crab, frog, turtle, crocodile, snakes. Activity 5. The nature trail. Students collected leaves from different plants. Activity 6. Leaf autograph: place a leaf on a notebook with the rough, vein side facing up. Cover it with a plain sheet of paper. Rub a crayon over the paper and watch the leaf's shape appear like magic. Try this with different leaves and see how each one has its own unique pattern. Name the plant or tree to which the leaf belongs. Thanks for watching.